Okay, so we're looking at Will. And he's been really pushing up on his legs. So we're going to see if he'll do it. There we go. He is really pushing up on those legs. And he's scooting towards Rob. Wow. He's had this burst of activity in the last week where it's like, whoa, there's almost a rollover. Where he's just like, all of a sudden he's rolling over, he's trying to scoot, or at least push his legs forward.
Yep.
On the back. Tummy to back, very impressive.
And rolling over.
And rolling over again, yep. And he's been doing that at the daycare too. It's been crazy.
Oh.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. That's nuts.
Start out over there.
Yep, start out over here. Working his way over. Careful, he's going to want to suck on your computer.
Oh, you turn it back on.
It's really moving. Oh, now he's looking at it. You looking at the screen?
Yeah.
Wow, this is crazy.